Happy morning, my lovely students. How are you all? I know that my lovely students are enjoying the videos as well as they are completing the notebooks. Students, don't forget to send me the photo shots of the exercises. Okay, students? Remember, daily आप 2 exercise करोगे, then your notebook as well as you will gain the knowledge of the sums very well, and it will help you to practice a lot. Okay, students? So let's come back to our topic. We were on chapter 6, that is factors and multiples. This video is part 7. Okay, students? Now, in this video, we will be starting with exercise 6 on page number 49. But to solve that exercise, we should know some divisibility rules. Okay, students? These rules are on page number 47 of your textbook. Okay, students? So let's read. Okay, a number is said to be exactly divisible by another number if the remainder is 0. Students, मैं कब बोल सकती हूँ कि ये नंबर डिविजिबल है या नहीं? जब मैं उस नंबर को डिवाइड करूँ and the remainder is 0, so I can say that this number is divisible by 6 or 20. Okay, students? So now we will see what are some shortcut keys to know that this number is divisible by not. अगर आपको मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दे दूँ and it will take time ना, you will divide and see what is the remainder. Is there any remainder? Then not a divisible. If there is no remainder, then it is divisible. बहुत टाइम लगेगा हमें देखने के लिए कि ये नंबर को मैं डिवाइड करूंगी तो मेरा रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा या नहीं आएगा. It will take a time. So students, there are some shortcuts. So we will have a look on that shortcuts. Oh, this table is on page number 48 of your textbook. Okay, students, see. अगर मुझे देखना है कि कोई नंबर is divisible by 2 or not, so what I will see? Digit in the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 8. Example 10, 44, 162, 9, 8, 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 4, 8 are divisible by 2. अगर आपको कोई नंबर दिया है उसका लास्ट नंबर होता है that number will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If ones की place पर ये नंबर होता है then you can say that this number is divisible by 2. Okay, students, have a look. In this case 4, 2, 4, 2, 6, 8. Ones की place पर अगर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 हो तो I can say that this number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now let's move to the 3 number. Sum of these digits is divisible by 3. For example, आपको एक नंबर दिया 9630. आपको ये चेक करना है कि ये नंबर 3 से divisible है या नहीं. So what you will do? You will add the digits, that is 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 0. The total comes to 18. 18 is divisible by 3? Yes. 3 6 are 18. So I can say that 9630 is divisible by 3. Understood? Okay. Just have a look. You have to remember this. In divisibility by 2, in divisibility by 3, you have to remember that you have to sum the number, that is 9630 in this. For example, if I give you 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. If I give you this number, then you have to see if you add this और आपका जो टोटल आता है वो सही आता है और वो टोटल 3 से डिविजिबल होता है, then you can say that this number is divisibility of 3. Okay, students? Now we will have a look on the divisibility of 4. Number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. जो लास्ट के जो 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं ना वो डिविजिबल बाय 4 होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल 196, 1048, 2 when you divide last two numbers and you receive 0 as remainder, then you can say that this whole number is a divisible of 4. Understood? When it comes to the divisibility of 4, we will divide the last two numbers to check the divisibility. Okay, students? In this you have to add the numbers. In this you have to divide the last two numbers. Last two numbers. Okay? Now it comes to the divisibility of 5. Digits in the ones place is 0 or 5. When it comes to the last digit, that is 0 or 5. For example, आपको क्वेश्चन है 2158061513620. हर एक में you can observe that there are 5 0 5 0. When at the end 5 or 0 comes, you can say that this number is divisible by 5. Okay, students. So in this case, 0 or 5. Okay. In this case, you can say 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now let's come to the divisibility of 8. Number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 3. Divide last 3 digits. Okay, students. When you divide the last 3 digits 968256384, and if the remainder is 0, you can say that this whole number is divisible by 8. Understood? Students, ये ना आपको सब shortcut याद रखना है. It is important and definitely it will come in exam. Okay, students? ये सब shortcuts आप याद रखोगे आपके लिए बहुत easy है. It will not take time to divide each and every number. You can just have a key of shortcut and you can solve that. Okay. Now it comes to 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. When you do the total, when you do the sum, वो अगर divisible है 9 से, then you can say that. आपने एक चीज observe की 3 और 9 दोनों का same pattern है. Yes. If for example one number is given to you. Now what you will do? You will add it. And if the answer is divisible by 9 or 3, then it is divisible. Okay? Digit in the ones place is 0. In this case 0. Let's have a recall of this जो हमने इतनी देर में learn किया. If we want to check whether a given number is divisible by 2 or not, what we will do? We will have a look on the last number, that is ones number. I will check that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. अगर ones की place पर इन सब number में से कोई है, then I can say that this number is divisible. Okay? Now if I want to check the given number is divisible by 3 or not, so what ma'am will do? Ma'am will add the numbers and see the result. If the result is divisible by the table of 3, then it is yes. If it is not, then no. Okay. Now if we want to check the given number is divisible by 4 or not, so what I can do? I will have a look on the last two numbers. अगर last के दो numbers divide होते हैं 4 के table में और remainder 0 आता है, then it is divisible. If not, if any remainder is left, then not divisible. Now, if it comes to 5, the last two digits 6, 0 or 5. अगर ones की place पर या 0 or 5 होगा, so I can say that this number is divisible or not. Now it comes to 8. In 8 divisibility, I need to check the last 3 digits. If these 3 digits are divisible by 8, then I can say that the whole number is divisible by 8. When it comes to 9, the same rule of 3 is applied. I have to total the sum. I can say I have to find the sum and the yes, मैं सबको प्लस करूंगी. Then what will be the answer? I will see that this answer is divisible by 9 or not. If it is divisible, then yes. If it is not divisible, then no. Now when it comes to 10, the last digit, if I want to see that the given number is divisible by 10 or not, so what will ma'am do? Ma'am will check the last digit. If the last digit is 0, then ma'am can say that this number is divisible or not. Okay students? Now we will have a look on the divisibility by 6. 6 की divisibility मुझे कैसे पता चलेगी? For 6 you have to check the divisibility of 2 as well as 3. अगर दोनों ने yes बोला then it is divisible. If एक ने भी no बोला then it is not divisible. Understood? For example is the given number 9126. Last में 6 आ गया. So I can say that कि 2 the number is divisible by 2. Now when I come to the addition, 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 come to 18. So I can say that this number is divisible. 2 और 3 दोनों का divisible होगा, then it can be divisible of 6. Okay students, you have to check. अगर 2 ने no बोला और 3 ने yes बोला, then it's also no. They both should be agree. If anyone says no, then the divisibility will be wrong. Okay students, for 6 you need to find out the divisibility of 2 as well as 3. Okay. Now it comes to divisibility by 7. Here the number is 455. Twice the digit at one's place. जो last का number है ना, आप उसे twice कर दोगे. 2 into 5 equals to 10. Subtract it from the rest of the number. Last के जो digit था ना, you have to twice that number. In this case we have 5. 2 5s are 10. Now it comes to, now I will subtract this 10 from the remaining number, that is 45. Okay students? So my answer comes to 35. If 35 is going in 7, then I can say that this number is divisible. Understood? मैं क्या करूँगी? If I want to check the divisibility by 7, what will ma'am do? मैम क्या करेंगे? जो लास्ट का 1 डिजिट होगा, पहले तो उसको 2 से इंटू कर देंगे, फिर जो भी आंसर आएगा ना, उसको रेस्ट वाले नंबर से माइनस कर देंगे. ओके. Now when it comes to the divisibility of 11, and now we will see that divisibility of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digit at odd place and the sum of the digit at even place is either 0 or a multiple of 11. For example, यही वाला नंबर ले लेते हैं 2 8 3 8. Now you have to see odd even. Okay, even, odd, even, odd. आपको डिजिट नहीं देखने हैं. You have to see even, odd, you have to follow the series. Now in the divisibility of 11 you have to check that कि even का total और odd का total का difference, that is odd places 8 plus 8 equals to 16, even places 3 plus 2 equals to 5. इन दोनों का difference या तो 11 आना चाहिए या तो 0 आना चाहिए. Then it is divisible or not. I repeat it for you. For the given number, that is 2838, I will have a look at even, odd, even, odd, okay. अब मैं क्या करूँगी? odd को प्लस करूँगी, even को प्लस करूँगी. Then I will subtract it, जो फाइनल आंसर आया उसको, even का आंसर, odd का आंसर. Then what will I check? That the answer, it should be 0 or the multiple of 11. अगर इन दोनों में से कुछ आंसर आता है then it is right, is wrong. Okay students, so students, here we complete the discussion of divisibility, and this type of divisibility is important. Okay, and now you can solve the exercise 6. You have to see that this given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Have a look. मुझे 2 के लिए क्या चाहिए लास्ट में? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. तो 0 तो है यहाँ पर, तो yes it is divisible. 0 कहाँ पे चाहिए था मुझे? 5 और 10 में. तो yes it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 10. Understood? I have to apply the rules. Now it comes to the divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3 के लिए मुझे क्या करना था? मुझे इन सबको ऐड करना था. 7 plus 3 10 plus 9 19. क्या 19 is divisible by 3? No. तो 3 ने no कह दिया तो 6 का भी no हो जाएगा, क्योंकि 6 की कंडीशन क्या थी कि 2 और 3 if both they will say yes then it is yes or wrong. 2 says yes but 3 says no, then no. In 9 also I have to check the total. Remember, yes, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19. Is 19 is divisible by 9? क्या 99 के टेबल में जाता है? No. So understood? Now it comes to 4. 4 में क्या करना था? मुझे लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स देखने थे कि क्या वो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स जाते हैं 4 में. 4 के डिजिट्स क्या है? 90. क्या 90 जाता है 4 में? No. If you wish you can divide it also. 4 90s are 4 2s are 8 1 0. 4 2s are 8 2 2. My remainder is 2. So 4 also says no. समझ में आया आपको किस तरीके से ये सब सम सॉल्व करने हैं? It is so easy ना if you remember the rules. For that you have to rewatch the video to memorize these rules. Then afterwards you can solve this exercise. Okay students, so here we complete our chapter 6, and the review exercise you will be solving as a part of your worksheet of the whole chapter. This exercise is on page number 50. Okay students, don't worry, I will be sending you the notes, but try, practice a lot. Bye students, take care, have fun.